Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to draw in Instagram chat. Okay, now let's start. First of all, go to your Play Store, click on Play Store and check update your Instagram. Search for Instagram. Click on this. Now you can see Instagram is already updated. Then back to your home screen. Then go to your Instagram. Click on Instagram. Click on Messenger. Now click on plus icon. You can see here draw option. Click on this. Now change your color. Now draw. Then send this and delete draw item. Now click on cross item, then back, click on draw item and select your color and send this item. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.